Hi, in this video I'll show you how you can now save certain elements in your email builder so that your emails always have the same recognizability. Let's dive right in. As so often we find ourselves again in our sub account and we click on marketing. You can find the email builder here at the top under emails and then templates. And now let's do an example. We create a new email template and choose one from the existing templates. Here we go to health and wellness and then we take this one. It's just for demonstration. Click continue, then it takes a few seconds and we are right in. Up here I insert the logo. I just created an example for it and we take that. Now it looks a bit odd. Here we now take this color code and say that the background should be in the same color. Here we have block background color and next we have the background of the section. I'm changing both to the same brown tone now. Besides, at the very bottom, we have a section that we absolutely have to change to this color as well. Now it all looks a bit better. Now let's assume that we have inserted our legal texts or social media icons down here that we want to have in every mail. Additionally, we want to have our logo in every mail and this image for example too. Now we can simplify, select the element or the section we want to save and then click on this little save icon. Saved successful, it then displayed in the top right. And now we can see on the save icon on the left that it worked and was saved. We do this now with the bottom part, save, and also with this image here, also on save. Now we have saved the desired 3 elements here and now we want to use these elements for every newsletter mail in this example. I now save this template, then go back and create a new email template. This time without a pre-made template and click on Design Editor. Now we can go here on the save icon and can see that it was taken over directly. We can start with our logo. We remove this field here. After that comes the image here. Next we insert the text and at the very bottom we wanted to place the legal text or social media icons. You can do all of this with header, footer, call to action button, text blocks, image galleries, icons, newsletters, testimonials, and as I said, also legal texts. This way you save a lot of time for the future. Your mails always have the same recognizability in terms of color and logo, and you only have to create the content anew. See you next time.